Good morning this Tuesday the 15th of June. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst at Bell Direct. I hope you had a great long weekend. Well, we saw a reasonably positive start to Wall Street's week. The Nasdaq closed at an all-time high on Monday as investors rotated back into growth stocks ahead of the key Federal Reserve meeting this week. The S&P 500 gained about 0.2% off the back of gains in the tech sector, while the Dow Jones slipped about 0.3%. US eco data out this week includes retail sales data for May, which is out today at 10:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And on Thursday, the Fed will announce their interest rate decision. If it's positive, you'd expect the Aussie share market to rally. And across the sea, despite the UK's successful vaccine rollout, the prevalence of the Delta variant, first identified in India, has resulted in Boris Johnson extending England's COVID-19 restrictions by another 4 weeks. You could keep an eye on one of the ASX 200's top performers this year, Virgin Money UK, VUK is its ticker code, which is up about 57%, as well as other companies exposed to the UK. In terms of what to watch locally, on the Aussie COVID-19 vaccine front, Novavax's COVID-19 vaccine candidates showed strong efficacy against the virus. This sparks good news for Australia's vaccine strategy, as the federal government has made the Novavax shot one of the key parts of its rollout and has 51 million doses placed on order. Given the news of the Novavax vaccine, as well as the reasonably positive start to Wall Street's week, the Aussie share market looks set to lift 0.8% or 56 points higher to 7,368 points if you go by the futures. In terms of local economic news this week, today the RBA releases its meeting minutes and house price index data is out. And on Thursday, the unemployment rate for May will be announced and RBA Governor Lowe will deliver a speech titled From Recovery to Expansion. As for the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients last Friday, they were ANZ, Westpac and Queensland Pacific Metals. And moving to commodities, the oil price held steady after hitting a 2-year high, while the gold price slipped as investors fear the US Fed may outline a path for scaling back its expansive monetary policy at its 2-day meeting this week. To end on some trading ideas for your consideration, Bell Potter have reiterated their buy recommendation on Domino's Pizza, DMP, with an increased price target of $132, previously $122. This comes off the back of Domino's announcing that it had entered into a binding agreement with Formosa International Hotels Corporation to acquire 100% interest in Domino's Taiwan. Bell Potter believe the acquisition is attractive as it's near Japan and expands Domino's Asian presence, and also because the Domino's Taiwan store rollout still has ample runway for growth. Domino's closed about 1% up last Friday to $115.30, which implies 14.4% share price growth. Bell Potter have also increased its price target on Portman's and Peter Alexander owner Premier Investments, PMV, to $26.10, previously $25. PMV expects its earnings before interest and tax to range between $340 to $360 million, which is 5 to 11% ahead of Bell Potter's estimate of $344 million. This positive expectation is off the back of a strong sales performance, strong online sales growth and strong cost control. However, with its share price currently at $27.44, that implies a negative 4.9% share price growth. Therefore, Bell Potter have a hold rating on the stock. To end, IOU Pay, IOU, Linus Rare Earths, LYC, and Cyperium Metals, CYM, are all giving off bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. And that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy trading.